Welcome to our channel. If you want to secure your VA Benefits Portal account and protect your personal information, follow this quick guide to implement important security measures. Step 1. Visit the VA Benefits Portal at va.gov and sign in using your existing credentials, or create an account if you haven't already. Step 2. Once signed in, navigate to your profile settings by clicking on your name or account icon in the top right corner. Step 3. Update your password to a strong, unique combination that includes uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid using easily guessable information. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication if the VA portal offers this feature. Look for security settings where you can add an extra verification step using your phone or email. Step 5. Review your account recovery information, including backup email addresses and phone numbers to ensure you can regain access if needed. Step 6. Regularly check your account activity and login history for any suspicious or unauthorized access attempts. Step 7. Never share your VA account credentials with anyone, and be cautious of phishing emails or calls pretending to be from the VA asking for your login information. Step 8. Use a secure internet connection when accessing your VA Benefits Portal. Avoid using public Wi-Fi networks for sensitive transactions. Step 9. Keep your computer and mobile devices updated with the latest security patches and antivirus software. Step 10. Sign out of your account completely when finished using the portal, especially on shared or public computers. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.